All right, this is the graffiti car wash here in Tucson at Broadway and Sarnoff. So this, as you may recall, used to have an A-OK dyno wash, but judging by the RGB and the fact that this brush exists, this is no longer an A-OK dyno wash. This is now a PDQ Tandem Surfline. This thing is a fresh installation, like it was just put in. There's hardly any scale on the machine. Like if you look here, everything is still nice and polished. There's no chemical stains. This machine is a fresh install. We go ahead and pay off camera. And then the machine should say, please drive forward.
You have purchased the Works Wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
There it goes. All right. Yeah, everything turns green.
Please drive it slowly. Is now ready. Please drive it slowly following the entrance sign on the car.
Get that nice treatment. Man, the lubricant abilities on that machine is so much better. Oh, here goes. Are the wheel scrubbers going to do their thing? Oh, geez. I think there's a water line broken up there. I don't think that's supposed to happen. So I think it's supposed to come through the brushes.
does a really good job finding the wheel.
Yeah, no, it does. The RGB is just cool.
Yeah. That's white bread.
Oh yeah, look at that. Right up there, you can see the hose for the tire scrubbers. So, sadly, the tire scrubbers aren't working, but that's not a huge deal. Way better than the other machine.
Oh yeah.
Well, there's our spot free. Hopefully it does another pass. I'm gonna guess probably not though.
Something not a bad job.
No, but it's still missing some. Oh, it is doing.
Very good.
Yeah. We'll go meet him on the other side. Looks like the swinger isn't working on that, unfortunately. Not a huge deal, but a couple issues that need to be addressed on the machine, but nothing crazy. Overall, it did one hell of a job. I gotta say, I'm overall very impressed with that.
Did a very good job. There's a little bit of soap that's left right up here, but that's
really minor.
Real minor imperfection.
And there's a Honda Element going through it right now. A real Honda. Imagine that.
Alright.
For those of you who don't know, this is just a Chevy pretending to be a Honda. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. That'll be all.